We have more breaking updates coming in. It's a horror that has come to light from Rewa, where two women were partially buried alive. A truck dumped gravel on the protesting women. So this was an attempt to allegedly kill the women over a land dispute. The Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav has now taken stock of it. Very, very disturbing visuals that are coming in. This is a truck that is pouring out the gravel on the women who were protesting. This was a land dispute. Take a look at what happened.
वहाँ रोड बन रही थी, मुरम वगैरह डाल रही थी। तो अभी तक की सूचना ये प्राप्त हुई है कि वहाँ विरोध कर रहे थे दो महिलाएं। तो उसने जो है मुरम का पलटी किया, तो जिसमें वो दबी। तो इसके साक्ष्यों का विश्लेषण किया जा रहा है, अपराध पंजीबद्ध करके विवेचना की जा रही है। आए हुए साक्ष्यों के आधार पर इसमें कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
सब पलटी किया या उनके ऊपर डाल दिया?
ये सब अभी जांच का विषय है। अभी हम इसको जांच कर रहे हैं। जो भी अग्रिम कार्रवाई होगी वो साक्ष्यों के आधार पर की जाएगी।
दो महिलाएं चीख रही हैं, अपनी जान की रहम की भीख मांग रही, पर एक को सर तक गाड़ दिया गया है, दूसरे को कमर तक गाड़ दिया गया है। कुछ जबरदस्त लोगों के पैरों में वो गिरी हुई, पर उन्हें जिंदा जमीन में गाड़ा जा रहा है। मंगा ली गई है मशीन। अगर कुछ पलों की देरी हो जाती तो शायद उनकी जीवन समाप्त हो गया होता। दोष सिर्फ उनका उतना कि जबरदस्ती उनकी थोड़ी सी जमीन उस पे सड़क कुछ दबंग बनवा रहे थे। और ये कहां की घटना है? मध्य प्रदेश के भोपाल की डबल इंजन सरकार की, जहां हर सीट भाजपा जीती है पार्लियामेंट में। ये रामराज है या रावण राज है? आतंक का राज है, हिटलरशाही है। इसकी जितनी निंदा और भर्त्सना की जाए कम है। मध्य प्रदेश सरकार के मुख्यमंत्री को यह अधिकार नहीं रहा कि अब उस शासन सत्ता में बैठे रहे।
Let's go across to my colleague Govind, joining us on the broadcast with the details. Govind, take us through the details of the incident. What were these women protesting about, and what is the action that has been initiated by the Chief Minister?
Yeah, actually, CM Mohan Yadav himself has taken the cognizance of this incident, and you know that we are also witnessing that Congress party is using lots of ammunition of attacking on this incident, and BJP is saying that Congress is just doing a kind of politics. And here, Mohan Yadav has clarified that it was a dispute among the family members of Pandey family, in fact, and this is what the incidents recorded in the camera, and accordingly action has been taken. The family members of that victim booked. In fact, 3 are booked in this case. 1 has been arrested and 2 are absconding. So police also shared this information. But we are witnessing that how on social media these videos, tragic videos are being circulated, which is really so harassing, and because this incident is really so heartrending, in which 2 women were almost tried to be killed by burying through this way, which is really quite disturbing to see.
Absolutely. Absolute shocker that has come in from Madhya Pradesh. Govind, thank you for joining us with those details. On that note, we're slipping into a very short break here. We'll be right back with the top headlines. Stay with us.